How to fix Nvidia Geforce Now login problem. Hey everyone, in this video I'll walk you through the steps to fix common login issues with Nvidia Geforce Now. So if you're having trouble logging in, these steps should help you get back into your games. Let's get started. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. So Geforce Now requires a strong connection for optimal performance, so try restarting your router or switch into a wired connection if possible, because that's always better. Second of all, double check that you are using the correct email and password for your Nvidia account. If you are unsure, go to the Nvidia website and try logging in there to confirm your credentials. Number 3 is trying to clear your cache and cookies. So if you are using the web version of Geforce Now, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can resolve login issues caused by stored data. In most browsers, you can do this by going to Settings, then Privacy, and then Clear Browsing Data. Fourth of all, you need to ensure that you have the latest version of Geforce Now installed. Outdated versions can sometimes cause login issues, so go to the App Store or Nvidia's website to download and install any updates. Geforce Now may have trouble logging in if you're using a VPN or proxy, so try disabling any VPN or proxy settings, as these can interfere with Nvidia's servers. Sometimes the issue might be on Nvidia's end, so go to the Nvidia status page or search for Geforce Now status online to see if there is a known outage or maintenance. If you've tried all of these steps and nothing of this works, you can try contacting Nvidia support, so visit their support page and open a ticket. They can help troubleshoot account-specific issues. And that's it. Hopefully these tips help to resolve your Geforce Now login issue. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching.